What's good, YouTube? It's your boy King Infinity, and I'm back with another video. And today's video is going to be kind of different. I'm going to be showing you guys how you can take better pictures for Instagram so you can get those likes up, get your clout up. One without clout is not bout. But I'm going to be sharing my tips and tricks on how I take pictures for Instagram or how I take pictures for clients, and I'm taking you guys along for this journey. So before I get into the tips, I'm going to need my camera, which I'm recording with right now, so I'm just gonna... Alright, so now I have my camera, and let's get shooting. So the first thing I like to do when I'm taking pictures is that I like to manipulate the sun. Basically, I like to make the sun work for me. So we're going to flip this perspective, and I'm going to take a picture with the sun behind me. That's going to create a silhouette, and it's just going to look good. When you're taking pictures, it's not always about your location, but it's about how you frame the location. You could be in an ugly place, but if you frame it right, the picture's gonna come out nice. Sometimes you have a good location, but you might not frame it right, so your pictures won't come out good. So, my next tip is to frame your location right. Now, sometimes that involves getting a low angle, or getting a top angle, or an angle from the side. Whatever it is, just try out different angles. So for my last tip, or not, it's not really a tip, for my last piece of advice, I like to shoot through things. It might be a fence or a pole, and I have my friend Dylan here helping me out, and we're just going to get it popping from here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, so if you like this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And make sure you press that notification bell to be notified when I post. And I will see you in the next video. This is the King, signing off.
These niggas, they hating on me, lying on me, scheming on me. I walk in the building, they screaming for me. Walk in the building, they scheming on me. These niggas, they hating on me, lying on me, scheming on me. I walk in the building, they screaming for me.